Welcome to the Celtic Farm and our guide on collecting Delphinium seeds. If you want to grow more of these stunning flowers in your garden, collecting seeds from your existing plants is a great way to propagate them. In just a few steps, we'll show you how to harvest and store Delphinium seeds for future planting. The first step is to choose the right time to collect your seeds. Wait until the flowers have finished blooming and seed pods have started to dry out on the plant. You'll know they're ready when the pods turn brown and begin to crack open slightly, revealing the black seeds inside. Once the seed pods are dry, strip them from the plant using your hands. Be gentle, as the pods can be quite brittle at this stage and the seeds will pop out from the tips of the pods, or the pods will crack and you'll lose your bounty. Collect the seed pods in a paper bag, container, or envelope to prevent any seeds from spilling and to hold them for your next steps. Next, it's time to extract the seeds. If you pick them at the right time, they will crack open easily. Open the seed pods over a clean, dry surface, such as a tray or piece of paper, or if you have a seed screen set, you can put them at the top of your screen. Tap the pods gently to release the tiny black seeds, or rub them hard onto the screen surface, and a lot of the pod remnants will disappear. Be sure to collect as many seeds as you can. They easily roll away or can bounce off the screen or paper. After you've collected your seeds, it's important to clean and dry them. Remove any plant debris and spread the seeds out on a piece of paper or a fine mesh screen. Allow them to air dry for several days to ensure there's no moisture left, which could cause mold during storage. Once the seeds are fully dry, store them in a labeled envelope or an airtight container. Keep the container in a cool, dark place until you're ready to plant. Properly stored Delphinium seeds can remain viable for up to 2 years. And that's it. Collecting and storing Delphinium seeds is an easy and rewarding way to enjoy more of these stunning flowers in your garden. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Have questions or tips of your own? Leave a comment below.